Ever wondered how a simple green can transform your meals and your health? Arugula isn't just a salad garnish, it's a powerhouse ingredient with endless uses. From fiery pesto to refreshing smoothies, let's explore how this peppery leaf can spice up your plate and boost your wellness. Arugula, often referred to as rocket in many parts of the world, is a leafy green that has become a staple in modern cuisine due to its distinct peppery flavor and versatile nature. Initially native to the Mediterranean, arugula has spread across the globe, becoming popular in salads, garnishes, and even cooked dishes. Its usage goes beyond mere decoration. It serves as a healthy addition to a wide range of recipes and is also celebrated for its nutritional value. One of the primary ways arugula is used is in salads, where its bold taste adds a spicy kick. Often paired with milder greens like spinach or romaine, arugula balances flavors and enhances the overall freshness of a dish.
Its leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, which makes it a great nutrient-dense addition to any salad.
The peppery taste of arugula also complements other salad ingredients like citrus fruits, nuts, and cheeses, making it a versatile base or topping for a variety of salad creations. Arugula's culinary potential extends far beyond salads. Its peppery, somewhat bitter flavor also works wonders as a garnish for cooked dishes, providing a fresh contrast to heavier meals. For example, adding arugula to a pizza after it has come out of the oven can provide an unexpected burst of freshness and complexity, cutting through the richness of cheeses and meats. The leaves can also be used to top grilled meats, pasta dishes, or roasted vegetables, offering a green element that brightens up the plate. Beyond garnishing, arugula can be incorporated into sandwiches and wraps. In a wrap or on a sandwich, arugula can replace lettuce, offering a more robust flavor profile. When combined with ingredients like creamy cheeses, roasted meats, or even avocado, arugula adds depth and a touch of heat that elevates the entire meal. Its ability to add both flavor and texture without overwhelming other ingredients makes it an ideal option for creative sandwich fillings. Another innovative way to utilize arugula is by blending it into sauces and pesto. Traditional pesto recipes often feature basil, but arugula's peppery flavor gives pesto a unique twist, resulting in a bold, earthy sauce that pairs wonderfully with pasta, grilled vegetables, or even as a spread for bread. Arugula pesto is typically made by blending fresh arugula leaves with garlic, pine nuts or walnuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil, creating a flavorful paste that can be used in various dishes. Additionally, arugula can be added to soups and stews toward the end of cooking. Its leaves wilt quickly, adding a bright green color and fresh flavor to otherwise rich or hearty soups. The peppery taste of arugula is particularly complementary to potato-based soups, lentils, or creamy bisques, providing a contrast to the smooth texture of the soup while infusing it with extra nutrients. Arugula is also a fantastic addition to smoothies and juices, particularly when blended with fruits that provide a natural sweetness. Adding arugula to a fruit smoothie might seem unusual at first, but it's an excellent way to pack an extra punch of vitamins and antioxidants into a beverage. The peppery flavor of arugula can be masked by fruits like berries, apples, or citrus, allowing you to enjoy all its health benefits without overwhelming the taste. Many health-conscious individuals turn to arugula as a base for green juices, combining it with other leafy greens like kale or spinach to create a nutrient-packed drink that promotes digestion, boosts immunity, and supports overall health. In fact, its high levels of vitamins A and C, along with its potential anti-inflammatory properties, make it an excellent addition to any juice cleanse or wellness routine. Lastly, arugula isn't just used for flavor, but also for its health benefits, which make it an essential part of any balanced diet. Arugula is low in calories, making it a popular choice for those looking to manage their weight, while also being high in fiber, which aids in digestion. The presence of compounds like glucosinolates in arugula is believed to help the body detoxify and reduce inflammation, making it a great vegetable to incorporate into anti-inflammatory diets. Its antioxidant properties, particularly the high levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene, contribute to skin health and immunity, protecting against the effects of oxidative stress. The benefits of arugula also extend to bone health, as it contains high levels of vitamin K, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Arugula's powerful nutrient profile makes it a remarkable vegetable to support overall health, and its wide range of culinary uses makes it easy to incorporate into a daily diet. Arugula's diverse applications make it a valuable ingredient in kitchens around the world. From fresh salads to savory dishes, arugula enhances flavor, adds nutritional value, and provides a healthy option for a variety of meals. Whether as a garnish, in pesto, or blended into smoothies, the uses of arugula are as varied as its potential health benefits. Its peppery bite offers an unexpected flavor element, while its versatility allows it to be paired with many different types of food. For those seeking both flavor and health benefits in their meals, arugula is a must-have ingredient to experiment with. Now that you know how versatile and nutritious arugula is, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Whether you're tossing it into your next salad or blending it into a smoothie, arugula is your secret weapon for flavor and health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food inspiration.